Crunchy Lime Tuile Cookies recipe, easy and delicious. Hey there, cookie enthusiasts. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're whipping up a zesty delight Lime Tuile cookies. They're crispy, they're tangy, and they're downright irresistible. Let's dive into the recipe. Ingredients. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. Zest of 2 limes. 2 tablespoons lime juice. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, sifted. Instructions. Begin by creaming together the softened butter and granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. Then, add in the lime zest for that vibrant citrus flavor. Don't forget the lime juice too, it's what gives these cookies their signature tanginess. Now, gently fold in the sifted all-purpose flour until you have a smooth batter. It should be thick but spreadable. Using a spoon or a small scoop, drop small portions of the batter onto your prepared baking tray. Remember to leave plenty of space between each cookie, as they'll spread out while baking. Pop these babies into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 8-10 minutes or until the edges turn a lovely golden brown. And just like that, our Lime Tuile cookies are ready to go. But hold on, we're not done yet. While the cookies are still warm, carefully lift them off the tray and drape them over a rolling pin or any cylindrical object. This will give them that classic curved shape. Now, let them cool completely on the rack. Once they're cooled, you'll be left with these delicate, crispy cookies that are bursting with lime flavor. Just listen to that satisfying crunch. These Lime Tuile cookies are perfect for any occasion, whether you're enjoying them with a cup of tea or impressing guests at a party. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.